Indian forces have intensified siege, cordon and search operations and house raids in the occupied Kashmir before the so-called Indian Republic Day on 26 January. According to Kashmir Media Service, the personnel of the Indian Army, Central Reserve Police Force and Special Operations Group, equipped with rocket launchers and other sophisticated weapons, are seen in the areas. Pertinently, the occupied territory is already under military and police siege, and the people are living in an open-air prison, particularly after the August 2019. The Indian authorities have imposed night curfew in the Samba district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the administration has ordered that no person or group of persons will move in the area up to 1 kilometer along the line of control or the border areas of the district from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. Indian authorities have allowed senior APHC leader Mirwais Umar Farooq to visit New Delhi, India for personal reasons. According to Kashmir Media Service, Mirwais Umar Farooq was allowed by the authorities to travel to New Delhi on Monday. The APHC leader had conveyed the personal nature of his visit, after which the authorities allowed him. Indian Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has approved the raising of 4 more national cadet units, 3 in occupied Kashmir and 1 in Ladakh. According to Kashmir Media Service, the approval includes 1 mixed boys and girls army battalion, each at the Udhampur, Kupwara, and 1 air unit at the Udhampur. 1 army NCC battalion for boys and girls has been sanctioned for the Kargil, Ladakh. Communist Party of India Marxist, while welcoming the Indian Supreme Court's verdict quashing the remission given to the 11 convicts of the Bilkis Bano gang rape case, has said that the Bharatiya Janata Party-led Indian government and the Gujarat governments had acted in complicity with the convicts. According to Kashmir Media Service, Indian top court on Monday nailed down the Gujarat government's illegal actions of granting remission to the 11 convicts who had been sentenced to life for the gang raping pregnant woman Bilkis Bano during the 2002 anti-Muslim riots in the Indian state.